The quality of the products determines the quality of the result. Trusted local products guarantee the best taste on your palate. That is what charcuterie means, a culinary technique which combines taste and culture and inheritance, which we revive in every recipe. Welcome to the additional features from Fagor Professional. In this video, we are going to prepare 2 recipes with our iKORE oven. First, we will prepare a charcuterie recipe with ham and bacon. After that, we will make a sea bass bratwurst. Let's get started on the first recipe. Mix all the ingredients of the brine together and bring them to the boil until the salts and sugar have completely dissolved. Leave to cool down well and soak the boneless leg and pork belly in it for 7 to 10 days. Once this time has passed, take the meat out of the brine and leave it to rest for 24 hours, vacuum packed so that the salt spreads out even throughout the cuts. Then take out the pork belly and set it aside for cooking. Tie the leg well to remove any air capsules and so that it is nicely compacted. You can use transglutamase or some animal gelatine to join the pieces if you wish. Once the cuts are ready, put them in the oven. In doing so, use your iKORE oven's additional features, selecting charcuterie, boiled ham, and select a probe to measure the interior temperature, which we want at 68 degrees Celsius. When the process is complete, it is ready to serve. Time for the second recipe. First, cut the sea bass into cubes, not too large, and put them in the mincer together with the spices and corn flour. Then mash until you obtain a fine, soft dough. Add the egg white and mix to make an emulsion. Lastly, pour in the cream, mix it in well, and chill the dough. With the aid of a filler, fill the sausages without applying too much pressure. Fill the whole intestine without stopping, and then make knots with twine to divide the sausages into the desired size. To cook the sausages in the iKORE oven, use the charcuterie with steam additional feature at 85 degrees Celsius until obtaining an interior temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. Once done, blast chill and the sausages are ready for when you want to consume them.